like 263 times, but it's okay. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I'm so excited because I have a slime package to open from RAZBERRY Slime Company. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's open it. Ta-da! Okay, so here's the first slime. Okay, so we get this little paper with some care instructions. I'm just going to show that quick. And it comes with a little bottle of activator in every single slime you order, which is awesome. So this slime is called Strawberry Jam. Ooh! It actually feels like if you were to feel the strawberry jam. It has a really cool texture. It's unscented. I feel like it needs to be strawberry scented, but you know, it's still awesome. It's really clicky and it's such a pretty color. And I would rate this one like an 8 out of 10. Because I really like this one, but it could be stretchier. And here's the next slime. It comes in a little egg. I think this slime is supposed to be lemon scented, but I think it smells like the lemon Girl Scout cookies. It smells amazing. And the texture is like amazing. It's like heaven. And it doesn't leave a residue on your table or hands. So yeah, I will rate this one like a 10 out of 10. Ooh! This next slime is called Easter Egg Pearl. It's a clear base. With pearl beads. And the clear slime is so clear. It will get foggy as you play with it, but you can just let it sit for a day or two and it'll get clear again. This slime is gorgeous and I think it's super cool. It's not scented because if you have clear slime, it'll get foggy. But I think it's so amazing and I definitely recommend this one. Also, I think it's awesome that the beads don't fall out because that's one thing that you can have trouble with most clear slimes. So I would rate this slime a 10 out of 10 because it's super clear and it's like amazing. This next slime is a plain clear slime and I think this is awesome because they do custom labels. It says happy 12th birthday Ryan. So I think it's really cool that they do custom labels. This slime is so thick and clear, and it's super stretchy. Here's the next slime, which also comes in a little Easter egg. Ooh, this is a tie-dye cloud cream. This cloud cream is amazing. It kind of smells like Fruity Pebbles or Fruit Loops. I would rate this slime a 10 out of 10. This next slime is called Sugar Plum Purple. This slime is so thick and it's gorgeous. It's super metallic-y. And it's unscented because the base is clear slime. This slime is amazing. I would rate this slime a 10 out of 10 because it's so unique and metallic-y. This next slime is called Double Fudge Latte. It smells like fresh brownies, but I also think it smells just like chocolate peanut butter cake. Like, it makes my mouth water. It smells amazing. It's super buttery, and it has little brown sparkles in. I rate this slime a 10 out of 10 just because the texture is really nice and the smell is like so amazing. This next slime is called Bubblegum Milkshake. So this one comes with two. I guess this one goes on top of this. This one has a really unique texture. It has like something in it. I don't know what it is, but it kind of feels like that white stuff people put on their candles in Christmas time. Granulated wax or something. I don't really know what it's called, but it feels like that. It's really nice and it's super unique, but it's a little bit scratchy. This one is just like a buttery kind of slime. This slime is awesome, and I think it's really cool that you get to mix them together on your own. I think that just includes a little extra fun. I would rate this slime a 9 out of 10. And then the last slime is called Summer Days, and it's a really pretty blue slime. I don't know what exactly it is that it smells like, but let me tell you, it just smells amazing. Here are the little charms it comes with. It comes with a flip-flop and a pineapple. This slime smells so good. It's supposed to smell like the ocean, but I don't think it smells like the ocean. It's also super stretchy, but it's not sticky at all. I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. And as extras, I got a small squishy and a Tootsie Roll, which is fine and I think it's really cute. But usually, I've ordered from a lot of slime shops, and I've gotten more for 2 slimes, more extras for 2 slimes than 14. But besides that, their slimes are like so nice, and they're all so different, and they all have really different textures that I could definitely not make at home. I'll put their slime shop links and stuff to these slimes in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below which slime you think looked the coolest. I love you guys so much. Bye!